third purpose of pyramid energy. The most important liquid in our life is the water. We are what we drink, we are what we eat, we are what we think. We are finding water tunnels. And look how the water is crystal clear and clean. It's been there for thousands of years. It is not a surface water. How do we know that? During the summertime, when it's dry, the water level never drops. During the spring and fall, a lot of rains, it never goes up. It's been there for thousands of years, exposed to the pyramid energy. We did conventional analysis, chemical, microbiological, no viruses, no bacteria, because of negative ions. Then we sent samples to the unfortunately late Dr. Masaru Emoto from Japan, who became very popular from 1999 when he started freezing samples of water, taking a photo through electronic microscope. Now, this is molecular structure of the tap water from the New York City. No structure at all. Why? Well, the water that we drink at our homes or bottled water. No viruses, bacteria. Why? Because they put chlorine. They treat it with chlorine, which is a poison. We can find fluorides, poison. Traces of heavy metals, poison. What we drink is energetically dead water, which vibrates very low. This is the water that goes through the dam in Japan. We can see nice green color. On molecular level, looks ugly. This is the water from bottom left, largest freshwater lake in Japan, Lake Biwa, from satellite, looking beautiful, blue, but it's contaminated. On molecular level, looks real bad. This is the water, the city water, from the town of Visoko, where the pyramids are. But this is the city treated water. Look at it. Looks bad. We sent samples from our pyramid water through the post office. It was 6 years back when we could mail it through the post. Today you cannot do that no more. Liquid you cannot send. Well, it went through the x-rays and Röntgen machines at the airport. They sent us results. Still, it remained a beautiful hexagonal in shape. Why hexagonal? The most powerful geometrical shape of all sacred geometry shapes. And beautiful crystal-like structure, like a Christmas tree. This is energetically alive water. It vibrates high. When we are upset, when we hate, when we are violent, we vibrate very low. When we have love for the whole world, we vibrate very high. Professor Korotkov took the pyramid water. To the left is before, excellent chakra balance, but rather small. And after he drank the water, you see how much bigger they became. The fourth chakra, the heart chakra, sharing the love, it went to the extrovert side. Red. This is a subject that we exposed to the measurement called GDV camera, gas discharge visualization camera. Red, this is energy level, very low. Then coming to the pyramids, first the blue one going to the tunnels. You see how much energy level went up? The green one, after drinking the water, went up again. And the brown one, after going to the top of the Bosnian pyramid of the sun. And the next level would be starting levitating, so we would need to find this person behind the clouds. Herbert from Belgium had a problem with the eyes. He started being blind. 30% after applying pyramid waters for 3 months, visiting the tunnels, 90, 100. So, when it comes to the pyramids and pyramid energy, we really need to forget those fairy tales about pyramids being tombs. Pyramids are structures built to last forever. This is a technology. It's not of human origin. The oldest pyramids in the world are not rudimentary, inferior, but opposite. They are the biggest, superior and the most advanced in China, Egypt, Bosnia, and Mexico. It's technology that's been brought to humanity. Humans were maybe there, just watching, sometimes maybe used to help during the construction process, or they simply witness everything. Did we learn anything from them? Okay. So, the first purpose of pyramid energy, communication on the long distances. Not AT&T long distance from Minnesota to Houston, but long cosmic distances. The second one, to protect the health, self-healing. The third one, to improve the molecular structure of water. The fourth one, to improve the molecular structure of food. Last year we did experiment with the seeds of beans. We placed some of them in the tunnels on the pyramid and control group. After 2 weeks, we were checking the germinization process. The control group from the store, 60% of the seeds started growing. The one that was exposed to the pyramid energy, 100%. These are experiments that we've performed. So, and when we planted them, the pyramid beans like this, control group like that. It affects the food. It affects our auric field. It affects our chakras, bringing them to balance, opening them up. It affects our spiritual senses, which we can use much more. It affects our immunity. It's good for anything and everything. And finally,